Hello everyone. Myself Deepthi Kumari is going to present on production technology of tea. Before starting, I would like to thank Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir for giving me this opportunity. These are the contents which will be included in today's presentation. Taxonomy, Kingdom Plantae, Division Magnoliophyta, Class Magnoliopsida, Order Ericales, Family Theaceae, Genus Camellia, Species Camellia sinensis. Introduction. Tea is an aromatic beverage. After water, tea is the most widely consumed beverage in the world. Two principal varieties are used: small leaf China plant, Camellia sinensis, variety sinensis; large leaved Assam plant, Camellia sinensis, variety assamica. The tea of Assam, Sri Lanka, Darjeeling are the world's famous. Chromosome number 2n is equal to 30. History. Story of tea begins in ancient China over 5000 years ago. It was Emperor Shen Nung who sat serenely by a pot of boiling water when leaves from a wild tea bush flew into the kettle. The ensuing aroma aroused the emperor's sense to the point that he sampled a cup of exotic brew. To his delight, it tasted wonderful, and he never again drank plain water. Buddhist priests traveling between Japan and China introduced this drink to Japanese. Drinking tea became popular in Britain during 17th century. British introduced to India in order to compete with Chinese monopoly on the product. Maniram Devan was the first Indian tea planter. The tea cultivation began in India in 19th century by the British, however, has accelerated to the point that today India is listed as the world leading producer. Botanical description. Small evergreen tea to 16 meter tall with strong taproot giving rise to surface mat of feeder roots with endotrophic mycorrhiza. Leaves alternate lanceolate to ovovate up to 30 cm long, 2 to 5 cm broad. Flowers are 1 to 3 in number, in axillary or subterminal cymes, 2 to 5 cm broad, aromatic, white or pinkish, sepals and petals 5 to 7, pedicels 5 to 15 mm long. Stamen numerous, ovary 3 to 5 carpellate, each carpel 4 to 6 ovulate. Capsules globose, brownish, lobate to 2 cm broad with 1 to 3 subglobose seeds in each lobe, approximately 500 seeds per kg. Smaller the leaf, more expensive the tea. You have heard about different brands like Taja Holi, Lipton Green Tea, Baag Bakri Chai, Jahan bhi jaye rishte banaye. So here are some international tea brands like Taylor's of Harrogate, Tetley, Taifu, Lipton, Ahmed Tea, Taylor's, Dilma, Sri Lanka. Some leading tea brands of India like Tata Tea, Germany, Lipton Yellow Label, Brooke Bond Red Label, Taj Mahal, Taja, Shakti, Baag Bakri Tea, Pataka Tea, Godrej Tea. Climate and soil. Tea require a moderately hot and humid climate and can be grown from tropical climates to subtropical climates. Ideal temperature ranges from 16 to 32 degrees Celsius. Rainfall. It requires an annual rainfall of about 125 to 150 centimeter. Distribution of rainfall matters a lot for sustaining high yield of tea throughout the season. In northeast India, rainfall distribution is not even. The excess rainfall in the monsoon month causes drainage problem. If this dry spells persist for a long period, tea plants suffer heavily and crop goes down in spite of having sufficient rainfall in the monsoon. Thus, adequate rainfall during the winter and early spring is crucial for high yield. Soil. Tea grows well on highland, well-drained soil having a good depth of 1 to 1.5 meter. Shallow and compacted subsoil limit root growth. The depth of groundwater table should not be less than 90 cm for good growth of tea. Optimum pH range is about 4.5 to 5. Tea production in India and world. The major tea production in India: Assam, West Bengal, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Bihar, Orissa. In world tea production, leading countries are Kenya, Sri Lanka, Turkey, Indonesia, Vietnam, Japan, Iran, Argentina. Propagation. Tea plant is propagated by grafting. A desired yield scion is grafted on a hardy rootstock by wedge and cleft method. This method is practiced for improving quality old tea plantation. The rooting takes 3 months. Plants are hardened for another 4 to 6 months. The cuttings are topped at 30 to 35 cm prior to planting. After 9 months, planting is ready. Planting. In up and down type planting, spacing is 1.2 into 1.2 meter and population per hectare is 6,800. Contour planting single hedge 1.2 into 0.75 meter and 10,800 population per hectare. Contour planting double hedge 1.35 into 0.75 into 0.75 meter and 13,200 population per hectare. Type of tea: black tea. Most widely produced and consumed tea. The leaves are allowed to wither for 16 to 24 hours. They are rolled to release juices and enzymes. They are then crushed and exposed to air to undergo chemical changes. Fermentation is undertaken for 2 to 6 hours at 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. It is spread on platform. Oxidation and enzymatic conditions change. This turns the leaves brown and give black tea its distinctive taste. Green tea. Leaves undergo less processing. Withering and fermentation are omitted. Leaves are first steamed to prevent any change in color. It rolled and dried. The beverage has a greenish yellow color and is bitter. It is favored mainly by Japanese and Chinese. Oolong tea. Oolong is a traditional Chinese tea, Camellia sinensis, produced through a unique process including withering under the strong sun and oxidation before curling and twisting. The degree of fermentation can range from 8 to 85% depending on the variety and production style. This tea category is especially popular with Chinese tea connoisseurs. White tea. Lightly oxidized tea of the Chinese Camellia sinensis plant, grown and harvested primarily in China and mostly in Fujian province. The leaves and buds are allowed to wither in natural sunlight before they are lighted. Proceed to prevent oxidation or further tea processing. The name white tea derives from the fine silvery white hairs on the unopened buds of the tea plant, which gives the plant a whitish appearance. Yellow tea. This tea is processed in a similar manner to green tea, but instead of immediate drying after fixation, it is stocked, covered, and gently heated in a humid environment. This initiates oxidation in the chlorophyll of the leaves through non-enzymatic and non-microbial means, which results in a yellowish or greenish yellow color. Funnel tea. This type of tea is known to help people but on weight, specially prescribed by doctors for people diagnosed with cancer. It also helps cure people suffering from stomach related issues. It also helps building appetite. Ginger tea. Ginger is the best for those who have a flu and other related symptoms. It helps increase the blood flow in the body. It is another popular tea that produce people consume on daily basis. Rosemary tea. This tea is used to cure sore throat and also as a mouthwash for ulcers. It is famously known to help those suffering from joint pains and headache and also help to boost circulation. Training. Training aims at modifying it to form a low bush of good spread and of appropriate height for plucking. In young tea, when it is established well centered, that is removing the plant point, leaving 8 to 10 mature leaves from the bottom leading to induced secondaries. It also necessary takes 18 to 20 months from planting to reach the regular plucking. Pruning. It is a vital operation of tea management to limit the top growth and to stimulate the growth of bush. Pruning is necessary as there is preponderance of benji shoots on the plucking table as more and more birds fail to grow with loss of vigor of growing apex. As the botanical principles of pruning is that terminal birds produce a hormone auxin that direct the growth of lateral birds. Irrigation. Rotating head sprinkler irrigation is a traditional method which consists of head with one or two nozzles rotated slowly by the action of water passing through it. Appropriate irrigation is required to ensure the stable yield and quality of tea. Manure and fertilizers. It is estimated to produce 100 kg of made tea plant utilizes on an average of 10.2, 3.2 and 5.4 kg of nitrogen, phosphorus and potash per hectare. Once they strike roots, 30 gram of soluble mixture of ammonium phosphate 20:20, 35 parts, potassium sulfate and magnesium sulfate each 15 parts and zinc sulfate and magnesium sulfate each 15 parts and zinc sulfate 3 part is dissolved in 10 liter of water and is applied with rose cane for about 900 plants. This must be repeated at 15 days interval. Varieties. Clone selection from seedling population was taken up by UPASI. It has so far released 24 clones. So some of the clones and its characters like URASI2, Jairam, an average yielding clone suitable for all elevations, tolerant to drought and wind. URASI3, Sundaram, very high yielding and quality clone. URASI6, Brooklands, fares well at mid and higher elevations. URASI8, Golconda, high yield suitable for all elevations. URASI10, Pandian, hardy clone resistant to drought and wind, suitable for high elevation. TRI 2024 Sri Lanka, high yielding clone. URASI 2025 Sri Lanka, average yielding hardy clone. Weed control. Dicots, herbicides like paraquat, gramoxone, dose 1.12 liter per hectare. Dicots, sodium salt of 2,4-D, fernoxone 1.4 kg per hectare, grasses 2,2,2-dichloropropanoic acid, Delapon 5.6 kg per hectare, and glyphosate 2.3 liter per hectare. Post-harvesting include various steps for fresh tea leaves to convert into post-fermented tea, green tea, yellow tea, white tea, oolong tea, black tea in various stages such as wilting, brushing, oxidation, fixation, yellowing, shaping, drying, and culling. This is a machine for tea processing. Production. In 2019, global production of tea was about 6.5 million tons, led by China with 43% and India with 22% of the world total. Kenya, Sri Lanka, Vietnam were secondary producers. Cropping pattern. High cropping flourish in month of April to June and October to December with a plucking interval of 7 to 10 days. Low cropping with July to September and January to March 12 to 15 days plucking interval. Pest and disease. Tea is subjected to attack from at least 150 insect species and 380 fungal diseases in northeast India, where 125 pests and 190 fungi have been detected. Losses almost 67 million pounds of tree per annum. Africa has a little trouble with blights. The tea mosquito, Helioptelis trivora, is only serious pest. Pests that can afflict tea plant include mosquito bugs, genus Helioptelis, which are true bugs. Mosquito bugs can damage leaves both by sucking plant material and by laying of eggs within the plant. Spraying with synthetic insecticides may be deemed appropriate. Other pests are lepidopterans, leaf feeders, and various tea disease. These are some types of disease such as rust of tea, twig die back, stem cancer of tea, brown and grey blight of tea, blister blight of tea. Influence on health. It is noted that excessive consumption or consumption of tea poorly or maintained or poorly prepared give negative effects on health. Composition of tea include fluoride, causes osteoporosis, arthritis, and are carcinogenic. Caffeine constitute about 3% of the total dry weight, causing insomnia. Exaltus causing kidney problem. But generally, it can be said that tea is particularly beneficial as for tea lovers because all these substances have a beneficial effects if ingested in small amount. The leaf of Camellia sinensis are rich in flavonoids, a type of polyphenol potent antioxidant. It has a cooling, slightly bitter, stringent flavor which many people enjoy. MCQs. Botanical name of Assam jar. Answer is Camellia assamica. Best soil for growing tea is acidic soil. Next, tea is also known as green gold. Next, how many days germination occur in tea? Answer is 20 to 30 days. Next, few varieties of tea are. Answer is URASI 2 Jairam, URASI 6 Brookland. Population per hectare in up and down planting system of tea are. Answer is 68,002 plant per hectare. Which is the best method of planting in tea? Answer is triangular planting. Next, Yield per hectare of tea is 2000 to 3000 kg. Blister blight is caused by, answer is Exobasidium vagans. Next, red rot disease is caused by Poria latrita. If you enjoyed this video, do like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.